In the beginning, there was silence, an endless void that stretched beyond comprehension. But from that shadowed emptiness, theories emerged whispering that our universe might not be alone. What if every decision, every heartbeat, spawned another world? Imagine infinite Earths, unseen yet eerily familiar. Scientists once believed our cosmos was everything, a singular bubble of space and time. But powerful equations from quantum physics began hinting otherwise. They spoke of other realms, invisible yet intertwined, vibrating just beyond the veil of our perception. Some physicists now suspect our universe is one bubble floating in an endless cosmic foam. Each sphere, another universe, some radiant, others twisted in unimaginable ways. Where one bubble collapses, another might bloom, birthing realities where the laws of physics disobey everything we know. Picture countless Earths orbiting countless suns, identical copies or horrifying distortions of our home. On one, you might never have existed, on another, you might already be dead. Each possibility, a ripple echoing across dimensions. Quantum mechanics introduced a cruel idea, the many worlds interpretation. Every decision splits the universe, doubling reality with each moment of choice. Our lives are fracturing endlessly, birthing infinite versions of ourselves lost in branching timelines. You drop a glass, and it shatters here, yet in another universe, it remains whole. The smallest actions divide existence, generating cosmic consequences. What looks like randomness here might be deliberate order somewhere else. To peer into these alternate worlds would mean breaking nature's ultimate rule. For if we saw them, they would also see us, reflections staring back through layers of time and entropy. And perhaps, they wouldn't like what they find. Throughout history, mystics, scientists, and dreamers alike have glimpsed fragments of overlapping realities. Unexplained déjà vu, vivid dreams that feel stolen from other lives, are these simply coincidence, or seepage from another Earth leaking into ours? Cosmic background radiation hums quietly, carrying echoes from beyond. Hidden within those waves might be faint fingerprints of other universes colliding with our own. Some patterns in the microwave data are too structured, too deliberate, as though another cosmos brushed against ours long ago. If universes can collide, what happens at the boundary? A shattering of physics, perhaps, or an event so violent it rewrites reality itself. Some theorists call it cosmic bruising, scars left upon the sky by interdimensional warfare. On the scale of mathematics, infinity is both beautiful and terrifying. Infinite universes mean infinite horror, entire realms built upon nightmares we cannot describe. Somewhere, an inverted version of our world may be whispering our names through quantum winds. Einstein's equations allowed time itself to twist and fold. Under certain conditions, space-time might loop, connecting parallel universes like threads in a cosmic web. If one strand trembles, the whole tapestry shivers. Perhaps that's why you sometimes feel that chill in an empty room. Imagine dark energy as not a force of expansion, but a tide pushing us closer to neighboring realities. Invisible waves surge through the vacuum, forcing dimensions to brush against one another. Earth might be adrift in an interdimensional storm. Beyond the event horizon of black holes, physics disintegrates. Some theories suggest those collapsing monsters are gateways to other universes, devouring energy here and spitting it out elsewhere. What falls in may awaken in a mirrored cosmos. Life exists in those universes. Not just alien, but divergent humanity, civilizations that made different choices, worshipped different gods, never knew ours. If evolution repeated infinitely, we are both unique and irrelevant at once. There might exist an Earth where humanity never rose from the mud, where gravity failed, or where oceans burn with red fire. In infinite space, every horror imaginable must exist somewhere. Creation is both blessing and curse when nothing is truly impossible. The multiverse may not care for right or wrong, it simply is, indifferent and cold. Ethics, reason, hope, they crumble when faced with infinite possibility. Somewhere, another you might be doing unspeakable things, under identical stars. Cosmic horror lies in knowing that we are not central, we are incidental. Not the masters of the universe, but flickers of quantum dust among infinite versions. The more we learn, the smaller we become, reduced to whispers across timeless voids. Ancient myths spoke of gods with endless faces, realms upon realms beyond mortal reach. Perhaps they sensed the multiverse before science gave it form, glimpsing shimmering veils dividing worlds, thin as breath, thick as terror. Some quantum experiments hint that particles know when they are watched, as if observation anchors reality itself. What if observation not only collapses probabilities but pries open doors between Earths? Every glance could ripple across universes. In this vision of endless worlds, copies of you make choices you never dared. They succeed where you failed, or fall into madness instead. Infinity becomes cruel when you realize you are one thread among uncountable others, forever unaware of your twins. If infinite Earths exist, so must infinite deaths. Countless apocalypses unfolding right now in distant universes, some by war, others by silence. Every version of history is playing simultaneously, endlessly repeating and still unfinished. Cosmologists once sought the edge of the universe, but edges don't exist here. There is no border, no outside, just an infinite continuum. Each reality folds upon another, forming a leviathan structure too vast for any mind to perceive. Radiation patterns, quantum anomalies, gravitational echoes, they all hint that our universe isn't isolated. Something presses against us from beyond. We dismiss it as noise, yet maybe, that noise is another Earth calling out through the void. What would happen if the barriers between worlds fractured? If one Earth began leaking into another, blending lives, memories, and physical laws? Would we even notice at first, or awaken one day in a sky that feels subtly, unnervingly wrong? Some whisper that déjà vu is evidence of crossing dimensions. That fleeting shiver of recognition, a memory of something that never happened, might be the echo of another self bleeding through the fabric of time. Quantum computers may one day glimpse echoes of the multiverse through their own computations. If so, they might learn too much. For machines obey their code, but the multiverse obeys no one, and what listens back might not be human. In the farthest reaches of theory lies the idea that universes reproduce, cosmic evolution breeding realities like cells. Ours could be one offspring among countless generations. Somewhere, its parent still looms, watching. To believe in infinite Earths is to accept that no single truth exists. Every truth, every lie, every God, and every void, all coexist somewhere. What then is meaning, if even despair becomes infinite? Astronomers point telescopes into black stillness searching for answers. Yet perhaps the answers stare back, unseen, patient, limitless. The more they search, the deeper the darkness grows, as if space itself becomes aware of being observed. Some cultures spoke of dreamtime or mirrored heavens, ancient metaphors for what science now dares to quantify. The multiverse may not be discovery, but rediscovery, of what the ancients already feared. Existence has no center, only recursion. As humanity questions its place, another Earth may be asking the same. Perhaps their scientists, their storytellers, are also wondering, is there another version of us, watching them right now? Infinity promises eternal curiosity, but also eternal dread. We can measure, theorize, and simulate, yet never truly verify. For to witness infinity is to unravel the mind, to stare into endless mirrors where even gods dissolve into dust. And so, the multiverse remains both dream and nightmare, a whisper at the edge of human understanding. We gaze into its silent expanse, seeking order, but find only reflection. Perhaps the greatest mystery is whether we were ever real to begin with. The safest answer remains uncertainty. Somewhere, another you may just have finished watching this exact documentary, wondering the same thing. Reality folds, time blurs, and the void, endless and eternal, waits for you to look back.